Here are the top 5 power tools I would recommend every homeowner or do-it-yourselfer should have. Before buying or using any power tool, be sure you read, understand, and follow the manufacturer's safety instructions. So number 1, a cordless drill driver. This one is a 20 volt made by DeWalt. You can drive screws and bolts with it. You can drill holes. It also has a hammer drill function, so you can use hammer drill bits to drill holes in concrete to anchor things in concrete. It has a compact size compared to other cordless drill drivers, which is nice. Different speeds, different torque settings, built-in LED light. I highly recommend this one. Works great for home and at work. And it has a keyless chuck, which makes changing bits quick and easy. Woo! Number 2 would be a circular saw. You can buy different saw blades. Saw blades that have less teeth are for rip cutting wood. Saw blades that have more teeth or finer teeth are for cutting finer things or different materials. They make saw blades for cutting metal, diamond encrusted blades for cutting concrete. Great tool. Number 3 I would recommend is this angle grinder. You can put cutting wheels on this to cut metal, grinding wheels to grind metal, or different grit sanding discs, or flapper wheels, grinding wheels, wire cup wheels, wire brushes, etc. for cleaning, sanding, grinding, cutting. Great tool. Number 4 would be one of these oscillating multi-tools. They're great for getting in tight spaces. Say if you got to adjust or do some trim work around a door or window, or cut out a clean opening in drywall, or in any kind of wood siding or paneling, or cuts through different materials. Here too, you can buy different attachments and bits for it, depending on what material you're trying to cut into. And some of them even have different angles. You can even buy diamond encrusted ones for cutting into brick and concrete. These oscillating tools, multi-tools, are really great. Last but not least, number 5 would be a sawzall like this. Again, here too, you can buy blades to cut metal, cut wood, plastic pipe, etc., conduit. Not only do they have different blade types, but they also come in different lengths. Great tool. Highly recommend this reciprocating sawzall. I hope this list gives you some ideas and helps you with your projects. Are there any other power tools that you would recommend folks consider for their tool inventory? If you got any value out of this video, please consider subscribing. Helps the channel move up in the YouTube algorithm so we can help more people with their maintenance and repair tasks. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.